Hi guys, welcome back to the new video. In this video, I am going to show you how you can make sale countdown on Shopify store. So let's get started. First of all, open your Shopify store. Once you are in, you have to go on the online store and open the themes. Once you are in, you have to go on the website which is known as elf site and then go on the widgets. And once you are here, you have to scroll down and click the countdown timer. And here you have to go on the templates. As you can see, there are many types of templates. Select any one that you want. Once you're done with it, you have to create widget. Now you have to click on the add to website, and here you have to sign up and log in any account, or you can sign in also Facebook or Google. Once you log in the account, you have to scroll down and save it. Now here you have to click on the light and select it. And now from here you have to copy this URL code. And now go back to the Shopify and go on the actions and then edit code. Now here you have to go on the theme liquid. Now you have to just scroll down again and again. So once you are here, you have to just paste that link which you previously copied. Once you paste it, you have to just save it, and yeah, this is how you can make sale countdown on Shopify store.